Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you the tool we have to increase the interaction of your live stream on YouTube. So you can see on the screen, this is the tool that I'm currently using to manage and using multiple Gmail and use this Gmail to create a multiple YouTube channel and use it to interact to my video or the live stream that I want. So in this tool you can manage using unlimited Gmail accounts if you want. Okay, so to increase the interaction of the live stream, I will go to setting function. Settings means you will auto comment to any video or live stream that you want on YouTube. And in here I will choose option like about setting live stream. And after that, I will select the Gmail and select the channel list on this Gmail. And after that, I will set up the basic configuration like about break no time the interaction. I can set up from 1 to 2 seconds. And after that, I will enter the link of the live stream that I want to interact with. And for example, I want to interact with this live stream, the live stream of ISO speed, and I will copy the links of this live and back to my tool. And I will paste it in here and press save. After that, I can set up the time to watch the live stream. I can set up from 15 to 16 seconds, and in here I can choose comment to the live stream, and I will enter the comment here, and each comment is a line, and I just prepare the content of a comment in here and press it in here and press save. Okay, beside that you can choose many options like about interaction or subscribe the channel or share the channel. Okay, so after everything set up, I just need to start and let the tool how to interact to the live stream for me. Okay, so here you can see on the screen, the tool will auto open browser like this, and each browser is the account and will interact to the live stream like about like, watch or comment to the live stream. Okay, so basically here show you the tool we have you to interact with the live stream that you want on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you need this tool or more information, you guys go join me my Telegram, WhatsApp, and don't forget to like and subscribe on my channel to see more video about automation tool.